Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Central Adoption Resource Authority, that is CARA. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Supreme Court has expressed apprehensions on Indian system of child adoption due to significant delays in the associated process. Now let's discuss about CARA, that is Central Adoption Resource Authority. It was established in 1990 under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. It is given a statutory status under the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Its objective is to supervise child adoption processes both for Indian and non-resident Indian individuals residing abroad. CARA's mandate involves overseeing and regulating both in-country and inter-country adoptions. The functions of CARA align with the provisions of the Hague Convention of 1993 for inter-country adoptions, of which it became member in 2003. Now moving on to functions of CARA. CARA monitors and regulates bodies such as the State Adoption Resource Agency, that is SARA, Specialized Adoption Agency or SAA, completes the referral and adoption process. Authorized Foreign Adoption Agency or AFAA, Child Welfare Committees, CWCs, and District Child Protective Units or DPUs. Monitors and regulates both in-country and inter-country adoption procedures. Introduces transparency through the CARING's e-governance system, allowing tracking of adoption applications, and issues no objection certificates to child care institutions, enabling direct placement for adoption. Now let's discuss about adoption laws in India. Adoption is governed by two laws in India: the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 for Hindus, Jains, Sikhs and Buddhists, and the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. CARA comes into the picture for parents taking the Juvenile Justice Act route. In 2022, India amended the JJ Act, granting authority to local district magistrates for issuing adoption orders, thus ensuring prompt case disposal and decentralizing responsibilities. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the CARA system. 1. The statutory body CARA was established under the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 and was inaugurated in 1990. 2. The Ministry of Women and Child Development serves as the nodal agency for CARA. 3. In 2003, CARA became a signatory to the Hague Convention on Protection of Children and Cooperation. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.